Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today, it's all about soffiting and privacy. So we're gonna be installing some Hideaway privacy screens, and also we've started putting in our tongue and groove pine soffit underneath the deck. So we're adding some blocking for that. We're putting in soffiting. We're just all about fit and finish today. If you like what you see or learn a little something, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Dr. Deck's masterclass if you want to learn how to bend deck boards, and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. All right, let's get going. Okay, so how about this? Put it what looks best. Step back, I've got the screen. What's gonna look best?
So you see, these are first world curved deck problems, because we're putting up the soffitting here. You can see laterally, so it hits every joist, but then when you get to the curvy part, the ends of the soffitting have nowhere to attach to. So that's why I'm coming back, putting these 2x4s in here, so that way when we get to this spot here, we can actually attach the soffitting to something. Otherwise, it's hanging loose. You guys probably don't have to do this because you do straight decks. We do curvy ones. Not complaining. It's just part of the game, bro.
So there's always a few spots on our builds that we have to do a little touch up. I'm not a big fan of using miters, especially with PVC decking, because miters never stay together, not in Washington State. I don't care how much you glue them, screw them, hidden pocket screws, whatever you use, a butt joint is always gonna stay together longer and look better in 5 years than a miter ever will. So I just take a little extra time. I go home after work one night, I'll go to my Home Depot, go grab a little sample kit, take a piece of decking in, and just ask them to match the paint. Now what they started doing is they took my cell phone number, so anytime I need this color, I don't have to go get a color match anymore. So that made me pretty happy to find that out. It just makes it look that much nicer. Just trying to do the best for our clients that we can. And even sometimes on a miter, something that's a little unsightly because I rasped my edges, I can just take a little bit of paint and run it right down this groove. And once it's dry, nobody will ever see it, because you're not looking for it. You see something out of the corner of your eye because it's a different color. But once you blend color, it's really difficult to pick up on those. What's really cool about this tongue and groove we're using, it's tight knot pine, but they have matched ends. So one side, even the ends are tongue and groove. So there's very minimal waste when we're installing it, because you just take whatever piece is left over. As long as you have a factory cut end, you can use it for your next piece in line, and then it just keeps that random staggered look going. So pretty cool product.
You know, square drives are not very fun, because even though this bit's very nice,
Using the
have a nice lightweight hammer and not mess up your elbow. Check out these Martinez hammers. Not sponsored, but
Yet.
if you want to.
Yet, Mark.
I don't know.
Mark.
Maybe.
Yet. Yet. Martinez. That's all I have to say about that. I'm smiling now. See?
We were curious. You can't really. Oh, you still filming?
I am pre-wiring for some low voltage lighting that we're gonna put in the soffit, so she has a little extra light out here. Not huge light, not big light like you would see possibly with some 110 stuff, but we're just doing low voltage so I can do it, and I'm just gonna run some pre-wire so that I can, and then I'll mark out where I'm gonna put the lights. so she can have a little bit of ambient light out here at night coming out of the soffit.
You want to know what I'm doing? I am cutting up our coastline AZEC boards because we are going to wrap. I don't know if you can see up there. We're doing a little mock-up of what we want to do to cover the beam because the customer wants the beams covered. So I've taken these boards and I'm cutting them at 8 1/4 inches to cover the beam, and then we're going to have a piece of decking go underneath to cover the bottoms of these. And I've got to cut 183 of them, so I'll be here for a while, or all day. This is part
Oh, I didn't see those.
Just uncrating a piece of glass for our upper deck. The staircase glass is here as well, but we don't need that today. We'll probably be installing that Monday or Tuesday. But I need this piece for the upper deck so that we can finish it so it's more complete. And then there's just a few little things to finish on that portion of this project. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Getting things done today. Just dotting some I's and crossing some T's. So kind of nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content, which is usually 5 days a week. And for those of you that are interested, go check out Dr. Deck's Masterclass. Learn everything you can about deck board bending and how to become a master heat bender like myself. Thank you very much. Have a great day.